Hi, kids. I'm Bob. Today, we're going to learn the alphabets. A is the first letter we need to find. Let's go and find A. Kids, can you see A? He is hiding behind the lamppost.
Boo! Hi, Bob.
A, will you join me?
Yes, Bob.
What are you doing up there, B?
I was looking for you, and here you are.
Look, kids, there C is. He seems to be going somewhere.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, C. Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
Why don't you join us instead?
Yay!
D, what are you doing behind the tree?
I'm playing hide and seek.
Will you join me on a fun ride?
Yes!
Hi, E. How are you? Would you like to join us?
Hi, Bob. I'm fine, thank you. Yes, I would love to join you.
Kids, what is that? Oh my goodness, it's F.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, G. Where are you going?
Hi, Bob. I'm going to meet H. Come along.
Hi, H.
Hi, Bob. G, let's join Bob. Yes!
Kids, the next letters are I and J.
We're waiting for the bus that will take us to the floating islands.
I'm going to the floating islands too. Both of you join us. Kids, look at K. He is on the swing.
Bob, can I join my friends, I and J?
Yes.
Yay! Wait for me! I want to come too!
Hi, M. What are you doing?
Hi, Bob. I'm going home.
Why don't you join us instead?
Yes! Woo!
Hi, N. Hi, O.
Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob.
Hi, P. Where is Q?
Hi, Bob. I'm trying to find Q. Can you help me find Q?
There Q is, hiding behind the house. Look, kids, there's S.
Hi, Bob. I am waiting for R. Hi, Bob.
Hi, T. Are you going somewhere?
Hi, Bob. I'm going to the city to meet you and V.
Let's go meet U and V together. Hi, U and V. Will you come with me to meet W?
Yes, we're going to meet W too. Let's go together.
Hi, W.
Hi, Bob. I'm waiting for my friends, T, V, and U. Have you seen them?
Yes, they're aboard. Why don't you join them?
Yay! Woohoo! Look at all our friends. Could we join them too, Bob?
Yes, X, Y, and Z. This was fun. See you next time.